Welcome to 9th episode of how to make a game in Unity. In this episode I'm going to create a simple run cycle. So let's get started. Switch to pose mode and select all the bones. Go to the depth sheet and select the cycle breathing animation. A to select everything, G and X to move to the right side. I move it up to frame 100. Now I'm ready to create a new animation. My animation will end at frame 40. Make sure that automatic keyframe insertion is on. Let's start by creating a new pose. Grab the main spine and move it forward. I will move the foot out. And move the right leg back. Move the hips down. Now make the same with the hands. I will rotate the arms, the left hand backwards, the right hand upwards. The main position is created. I will copy and paste this pose to frame 40. To copy, press Shift D and move it to the right side. Let's work on contact position at frame 20. Move the bones to the opposite position. Take this and move it forward. Move it backward. Do it the same with the arms. Click the play button. This looks quite good. This is very simple run animation. You can add more poses, it will look more natural. I want that the head will be moving to the right and left sides. Select the head bone. Go to first frame and move it to the right side. Do the same with the last frame 40. Move it to the right side. Go to at frame 20 and move the head at the opposite side. That's it. In the next part I will show you how to import this character into Unity and make the character controller. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or leave a comment.